Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chocolate sauce for donuts. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder and 1 cup of granulated sugar. Also, prepare 1/2 cup of milk or cream and 1/4 cup of unsalted butter. Finally, have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract ready to enhance the flavor. These basic items are all you need to create a rich, decadent sauce. Now, let's get cooking. In a medium saucepan, combine your cocoa powder and granulated sugar. Whisk these dry ingredients together thoroughly. Next, pour in the milk or cream and add the unsalted butter. Place the saucepan over medium heat, stirring constantly. Continue to stir until the butter is fully melted and the mixture is smooth. Bring it to a gentle boil for exactly 1 minute, then remove it from the heat. Once off the heat, it's time for the finishing touches. Stir in your 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk the sauce vigorously until it becomes beautifully glossy and perfectly smooth. If you prefer a thinner consistency, simply add a splash more milk, 1 tablespoon at a time, until desired. For a thicker sauce, you can gently simmer it for an additional minute. The ideal sauce will easily coat the back of a spoon. Your delicious homemade chocolate sauce is now ready. Drizzle it generously over warm, freshly made donuts for an irresistible treat. For the best flavor and texture, we recommend serving it immediately. If you happen to have any leftover sauce, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will keep well for up to 1 week. When ready to enjoy again, gently reheat it on the stovetop or in the microwave.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.